We'll guide you through how to fix Dropbox sync issues. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Dropbox desktop app and make sure you're logged in with the correct account. Sometimes, sync issues occur when you're logged into a different account than the one you intended. Next, check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for Dropbox to sync files properly. You can try restarting your router or connecting to a different network to see if that resolves the issue. Then, head to the Dropbox icon in your system tray or menu bar and click on it. You'll see a gear icon or settings option. Click that, then choose Preferences. In the Preferences window, go to the Account tab and ensure your account is linked and active. If it's not, you might need to relink it by clicking Unlink this Dropbox and then signing back in. After that, navigate to the Network tab. Here, make sure that Dropbox is not being limited by network preferences that might be restricting bandwidth. You can set your upload and download rates to Don't Limit for optimal sync performance. Now, check the sync status. If you notice any files listed under syncing, it might mean Dropbox is trying to sync those files. If it's stuck, you can pause the sync and then resume it by clicking the Dropbox icon and selecting Pause Syncing, then Resume Syncing. If the problem persists, try restarting your computer, as sometimes a simple reboot can resolve underlying issues. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.